everyone. Great news on the home cook law in California. It has been signed into law, so it is now legal for home cooks. Obviously, you have to get your permits, and there's some rules along the way that you have to um, do that you're required to get done in order to have a home cooking business. But the law has been signed, so you can now cook dishes and sell them to your neighbors, sell them online, whatever you want to do. So great news on that end. So I thought I'd show you. We got here Governor Brown signing the bill into act. He did this on September 19th, 2018. And this is actually the bill right here. So this is all the provisions in the bill. This is AB626. You can look it up yourself. This has all the different information on what you are required to do and the terms and conditions. I'll point out a couple to you right now. As a home cook, there's a maximum limit of $50,000 a year that you can earn. But that's a lot of money. So if you can earn out of your house $50,000 a year, that's pretty great. That's like gravy money. So definitely, if you can make $50,000 a year, by that point, you should be able to expand and get into a restaurant or do something else to expand your business. Another thing that they have here is obviously you need to go and get your permits, your cottage permit. And so you need to go down to your local building office, city permit area, city, county, and ask about the home cooking permit and find out more instructions. I will also be looking up what you need to do, and I'll see if I can get forms put on my website, SwankCook, that maybe you can print or fill out online. So I'll follow up with that on another video. So just trying to highlight some of these things. You will need to probably have some insurance, and also you will be required to list your food products on a third-party site. This is part of the law. So what you'll need to do is, SwankCook is one of your authorized websites that you can list your products on, your food products. There is a few other sites out there. You can look them up if you like, but at SwankCook, we'll help you do everything. So if you just register, contact us, we'll walk you through everything. We'll help your business get up and running. We've got tools there. We've got social media boosts. So we can really help you launch your food business out the door the right way and help you make a lot of money. So contact me through YouTube or my Facebook page at SwankCook. Sign up on the website. You can contact me on the website too, swankcook.com. So yeah, those are a few of the things, but basically the good news is that you're all in. Now you can legally cook food at home and start your small business and make really good money. I know people that have had made salads, and they've had 50 salads, they pre-make these orders and saying, oh, I'm going to make a country salad. And then they post it, and they have 60 orders going out on a Thursday or something for all these people coming and picking up salads for dinner. They're making money. So this is a reality, and you can make a lot of money if you are a smart small business person. So once again, let us help you. I will be following up and giving you more information on this. Let me just point out this last thing to you. SwankCook.com is where you want to go, and then join as a cook. Once you do that, then you can contact me. We can go over what you need to do. You can basically just fill out your information. We're going to just kind of jump in here and see if we can show you a quick example. So this is one of the profiles of one of our partnering food servers. And so see basically what it looks like is you get a profile like this, you put your picture in there, or you put a picture of food or your logo, and then you put a little about yourself in here, put the food you love, put a lot of tags in there so Google will find you. And then these are things that this Cook is selling. He's got uh, homemade hatch chili salsa he's selling. You can even actually sell products. So he has a couple of air fryers selling. So this is what it's all about, and this is his location. Some people following him, and this is a great feature too. You can put your videos in here. So feature your food, and videos are worth a million words. So that's really simple, and that's really how easy it is. So if you have any questions, contact me. Let me know. Follow us here on YouTube and learn more as we go. Come on, let's do it.